Miconazole is a medication used to treat various skin infections caused by fungus, such as athlete's foot, jock itch, ringworm, and candidiasis. It can also be used to treat pityriasis, a fungal infection that causes changes in skin color on the neck, chest, arms, or legs. Miconazole works by stopping the growth of the fungus. When using Zeasorb Af 2% topical powder, it is important to follow the prescribed dosage and apply it to the affected area as directed by your healthcare provider. It is best to use this medication at the same time each day for optimal results. This medication is meant to be applied only on the skin. Make sure to clean and dry the affected area before applying the medication. Your doctor will advise you on how often to use it, typically twice a day. If you're using the spray form, remember to shake the bottle well before applying it. The amount and duration of treatment will depend on the type of infection you have. Avoid applying it more often than instructed, as it won't clear your condition faster and may increase side effects. Apply enough medication to cover the affected area and some of the surrounding skin. After applying, remember to wash your hands. Unless your doctor tells you to do so, do not wrap, cover, or bandage the area. This medication should not be applied in the eyes, nose, mouth, or vagina. For the best results, use this medication regularly at the same times each day. Keep using it until you finish the full prescribed amount, even if your symptoms improve before that. Stopping the medication too early may cause the infection to return. If your condition persists or worsens, be sure to inform your doctor. If you experience burning, stinging, swelling, irritation, redness, pimple-like bumps, tenderness, or flaking of the treated skin, notify your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that your doctor has determined the benefit of using this medication outweighs the risk of side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, if you notice blistering, oozing, or open sores, contact your doctor immediately. A serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, but seek medical help if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. Before using Zeasorb Af 2% topical powder, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to miconazole or other azole antifungals. It's important to also disclose any other allergies you may have and discuss any inactive ingredients in the product that may cause allergic reactions or other issues. Additionally, be sure to discuss your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication. If you are planning to have surgery, inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if it is clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is unclear whether this drug passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before using it while breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions when using Zeasorb Af 2% topical powder. This could affect how your medications work or increase the risk of serious side effects. Keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Make sure to consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If someone accidentally swallows Zeasorb Af 2% topical powder, it can be harmful. If an overdose occurs and the person experiences severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it is important to call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. For Canadian residents, they can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. It's important not to share this medication with others, as it is specifically prescribed for your own condition. If your doctor has instructed you to use Zeasorb Af 2% topical powder, make sure to use it only for the current condition and not for any other infection unless directed by your doctor. It's also important to note that when treating pityriasis, this medication may not result in an immediate return to normal skin color. It may take several months after completing the treatment for your natural skin color to return. So, be patient and consistent with the treatment as directed by your healthcare provider. If you forget a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. When using Zeasorb Af 2% topical powder, it's important to store it properly. Make sure to read the package labeling or ask your pharmacist for the specific storage requirements for the product you are using. It's important to protect it from light, and if you are using the gel or spray, also protect it from open flame and heat. And as always, keep all medications away from children and pets. When it comes to disposing of this medication, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. I recommend consulting your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. Remember, it's important to handle medications with care and responsibility. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.